Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I am sharing an unboxing from Journal Say. They kindly sent me a coupon code last year so I could pick out a few items, and I am excited to finally show you what I choose. First, look at this heart-shaped wrapping plastic. It's so unique and cute. I honestly did not realize how many things I added to my cart, but the prices are really affordable, which makes it hard to stop. They carry everything, literally everything: stationery, art journals, junk journal supplies, sketchbooks, notebooks, and there was one notebook I absolutely loved, but it was out of stock, so I'm definitely waiting for it to come back. I picked up stickers, die cuts, papers, and some beautiful washi tapes. I will let you enjoy everything with some background music, and then I will come back at the end to show you what I created with these goodies. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I would like to share with you my art journal book and what did I create using the Journal Say box. So first of all, this is my art journal sketchbook. I bought this one from either Marshall or TJ Maxx. It was written mixed media journal. I didn't like the cover, so I put some design paper by Dina Wakley. I love her mixed media paper or collage paper. I think I share it in one of my art haul. This is thin paper, and in the back this is kind of heavy paper. I'm not sure if it's, yes, so 30 sheets, 120 GSM, and the other 30 sheets is 270 GSM, and it's 60 double-sided pages. So I covered the front and the back. This is the first page I created. For the background, I used vellum papers. I glue the vellum paper. I ripped some of them to have some, texture. Then I used a stencil and white texture. Then I added this sticker, this lady from this book called Magic Potion Cabinet. It has the stickers and like A2 sticker sheet. Then the next page, I love this page so much. It reminds me as if you're going to a museum when you see all these frames. Again, I used one of their papers. Again, things are mixed up. Yeah, this pack has vellum papers and just thin cardstock. So I used the vellum again, and I ripped some of them to have some texture. Then I used all the frame. I finished all the frames, and I used these cute characters. Let me see if there's a name, called Sugar Velvet Sticker Pack. So there are so many colors. I choose, the full pack that has all the colors. So you're gonna see purple, yellow, red, green, and white. I really love it so much. Then I added some fun stickers from Tim Holtz Ideology. It has so many stickers. The next page, I didn't do anything much, just stick all the washi tape just to see them on white paper because I tried them on black. They're beautiful. The next page is kinda a vintage page. Again, use these sticker sheets in the background. Then I use foam tape to pop up a little bit all these die cuts. These are small vellum. Let me show you. Yeah, Van Gogh, an art gallery. So all these art work by I think so many artists in a vellum. So I glued them. And I use these like film frame to highlight some of the paintings by some artists. This one, whatever was left over, I just put them in these two pages. So I have here paper by Dina Wakley, the one I showed you earlier. Again, some frames, stickers, sentiments, the sentiments from my stash. Next here, yes, I swatched I swatched the oil pastel. I just add leftover again sticker sheets, a sticker, and this one, I don't know what I was doing. I was listening to a podcast and have the box, and I was just I'm not sure what I was doing, but I was enjoying what I'm doing. This is collage, have stickers, paper, stickers, frames. I just love it. Here, again, this is paper by Dina Wakley. I did some collage too, and I love this image. And I put some of my sentiments. Again, this image by Dina Wakley. Again, then here I played blending with the oil pastels. Wow, I did a lot. What else? Yeah, again, more stickers, papers. Then I use watercolor. Not bad, to be honest. The paper handled it very well. Not bad, because I just do like a soft wash. So I have here cool colors and warm colors. Oh, okay, and this one. I'm not sure what I was doing here, but
Anyway, best friend sticker. This is from my stash. Okay, so I really enjoy so much playing with the box. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below, and thanks so much for the team who sent me this box. And also there is a discount. They give me a discount for you guys, 8% off when you put my name. I'm gonna write it in the description box if you like to do some journaling, and the prices are really good. I mean, you cannot beat the prices. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.